Hey there! Ever wondered what exactly a black hole is? Well, you're not alone. Imagine a place in space where gravity pulls so hard that even light can't escape. Yep, that's a black hole. Let's break it down. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. During this collapse, all the mass of the star compresses into an incredibly small area called a singularity. Surrounding this point is what we call the event horizon, which is basically the point of no return. Now, why can't even light escape a black hole? It's because of the immense gravitational pull that exceeds the speed of light. This means anything, including light, that gets too close to the event horizon is sucked in and can never escape. You might be asking, what does it look like inside a black hole? Well, we don't really know. Scientists haven't observed inside a black hole because, well, light can't escape from it to bring us any information. The laws of physics as we know them just cease to exist there. Interestingly, black holes aren't just destroyers. They also play a huge role in the universe. They help in forming galaxies and are thought to be the driving force behind the massive jets and radiation that come from the center of most galaxies. So next time you look up at the stars, just think about the incredible, mysterious black holes out there, bending time and space. It's quite the cosmic mind bender, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in and keep pondering the mysteries of the universe.